this is the Aperol Spritz. It's a Spritz made with Aperol, kind of self-explanatory. But what a Spritz is, it's a traditional drink from Italy, specifically Venice, where it's made with wine combined with bitters. Over the years, it evolved into like the modern day Spritz, which is most popularized by the Aperol Spritz, which is a Prosecco instead of just any wine. It's specifically like a sparkling Prosecco with Aperol as the bitters, but it's also variations. You can use any kind of like bitter component or Amaro, like Campari or Cynar or anything of that nature. But here we'll use Aperol. You also throw a splash of soda water in there just for a good measure, give it a little bit more fizziness. And overall, it creates a pretty sweet, sparkly, very vibrantly colored drink. And here I'll show you how to mix it up. So for the Aperol Spritz, you're just going to add your ingredients to a wine glass. You can also use a champagne flute, any kind. So you can start with your 1 ounce of Aperol. Then add on top your 1.5 ounces of Prosecco. And then you can throw in a little splash of soda water there to round it out. Give that a little bit of a stir. So you could also use like a narrower champagne flute for this. And that is your Aperol Spritz. Cheers.